Is your Instagram app suddenly missing that familiar messenger icon, cutting you off from direct chats? Don't worry, this video will guide you through getting it back in just a few simple steps. First, let's dive into your Instagram profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the app. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your menu button. Tap on it to open. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll find the key to unlocking your missing icon. Now scroll down this menu until you find Messages and Story Replies. Tap on that to access your messaging settings. Within Messages and Story Replies, you'll want to tap on Message Controls. This setting manages who can direct message you and how those messages are handled. Look for an option that relates to your Instagram data and tap on it sometimes. A simple refresh of your data can resolve glitches. After this, you might need to restart your Instagram app, close it completely, and then reopen it. If the icon is still absent, a temporary app glitch might be the culprit, and a simple device restart can often work wonders. Press and hold your phone's power button and select Restart. This will refresh your entire device. And there you have it. The messenger icon should now be back in its rightful place, ready for you to connect if problems persist. Ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version through your device's app store.